So now that we have our pasting machine set up on our booking table, we're ready to start pasting. We've got our swivel attached to the table, our pasting machine attached to the swivel, our counter mounted. Now we're ready to put paste in the machine, load our material, and start booking and pasting. So today we are going to be using some T-bow. This is a faux grass vinyl from T-bow, and we're going to be using our Roman 838 paste. Again, 838 is a thicker, more viscous paste than many of your other Roman lines, and this machine is specially designed to handle paste like this. This is straight out of the bucket. This has been whipped with a drill and a mixer, but no water has been added. It's not been diluted as recommended by Roman. So we're going to go ahead and get started. We're going to get paste in this machine, show you how we get it loaded, how we get it started, and go ahead and pull a few pieces. So again, we're using 838. This machine is also suitable for 780, 880, but it also will handle 774 strippable. It will handle 234 very well. 234, you just whip it to the consistency that you need it, and it flows through all of our S-type and our CBX type. So I'm going to go ahead and fill this up evenly across the paste well. And since this will be the first time that I'm using this machine, it didn't have paste in it before, we're going to go ahead and prime the roller. So because this is a geared machine, I don't have to turn the paste roller by hand. I can actually turn the drive roller, and it is going to activate that feed roller at the bottom of the paste well. Feed roller starts picking up paste. The voids start filling in underneath the feed roller, transferring that paste to the paste roller. So after you do that, your voids are going to fill in, and you're probably going to need to add a little bit more paste on your first go round. Once you're set up and you're pasting, then you just add paste as needed. I usually go ahead and fill up my paste well as I'm changing rolls. But with thinner paper, sometimes I can pull 2 rolls before I have to add any more paste. So now we have paste in the machine, and we need to set our paste levels. So again, we have a scraper bar, a single point of being able to adjust our paste well. As we adjust this scraper bar, you have indications on your lid that show increase and decrease. So if I take my screwdriver, I'm going to loosen my set screw, and this way is going to increase paste. Back towards the front here is going to decrease. And that is changing the angle of the grooves on your scraper bar, either blocking the paste or allowing more paste to pass. So I usually start with a heavier material. Like I said, this is a faux grass vinyl. I'm going to start about midways and just pull a piece and see how it goes. And then I adjust from there. One convenient thing about your S-Series is these sliding brackets. You have varying widths from 18 inch, 20 and a half inch, 27 inch. You've got your various liners that are 30 inch, 31 inch. You're not having to spend a lot of time loading your material. It's that quick. Put it on your brackets and you're good to go. I've locked my lid in place. That's another feature with the S-Series that allows it to handle heavier materials. The locking lid, this little feature right here, this little tab that holds that lid in place, keeps that pressure on the material so it is locked and it is pressed against your paste roller as it's coming through the machine. Now I'm going to go ahead, release my lock. And I'm a left-hander, so I pull from this direction typically. Most installers are going to probably set up and pull from the other direction. The great thing about the new swivel, it allows for both. Previous swivels only were really set up for right-handers, but now lefties and righties equally have the ability to use this machine. You have a built-in cutting edge on your machine on the front here that allows you to cut your material. Once you get to your desired length. So I've got my paste well filled, my material loaded, my counter set in place. I simply zero out my counter and I begin pulling to the desired length. And now, if I see my material and my paste is light, on this heavier material, I need to adjust. So on my first pull, I probably would have stopped if I was on an actual installation and gone ahead, adjusted my set screw, and added more paste. I'm gonna move it up about another quarter turn. And once again, continue to pull, swiveling away from my table, so that I'm straight, my back is straight, and I'm applying even pressure to the material as I'm pulling it through. And so that, now you can see that paste has increased from here to here. And now that's gonna be about the right paste level that I need to hang this material. So I'm ready to go ahead and cut and book. And I'm ready to go to the wall.